Hi, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my last seam, the one I don't want to touch. So when I open that block on that seam, I'm just looking how those blocks, those pairs, initial pairs were sewn and which way they're coming in. So those two, I can see that seam kind of was nested towards me, and those two, the seam goes this way. So that's why I want to open them up that way. So first thread I caught is the one which was holding them in between when I was chain piecing them the last, and then I'm kind of pushing those seams the way I want them to go, and I will just have a look here in that kind of collection of the seams, what is holding them in the place and what else do I need to snip to make them flat. And I'm just opening it until it's ready, and I'm kind of cutting those seams which are stopping from those seams going the way I need them. And that's it really. That's the only rule I follow with it. There might be some other tutorials by other creators where they kind of explain it with more theory behind it, but that's how I do it, and that's how I've learned to do it, and it works. And that's it. That's the only thing, is that this seam here, the last seam, you definitely don't want to touch any on that, because that's basically what holds that block together. And that's it. Now I can take it to the iron, make it nice and flat. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll share this tutorial, subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing, and see you next time.